Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I am Vasiliki and in this video we're going to test together a new product by Catrice Cosmetics, and this is the Liquid Camouflage Under Eye Primer. This is a primer for the under eye area. It is a silky smooth hydrating primer which creates the ideal base for Catrice concealer. For this video I am also going to try the new concealer by Catrice. This is the One Drop Coverage Weightless Concealer. It gives full coverage, it contains hyaluron, and it is sweat proof. The new concealer by Catrice is €4.45 and the quantity that we get is 7 milliliters. This product claims that it reduces the look of fine lines and perfects under eye concealer application. I am going to do a wear test, and on one side I will use this concealer. On the other side I'm going to use one of my favorite drugstore concealers that I know how it works, and we're going to see how they compare. The price for this one is €3.45 and we get 5 milliliters of product. This is a very interesting product for me because we are used to eye primers for the eyelid, but for the under eye area I have never tried a product like this before, and I am very curious to see how it works and also if I can use it with concealers that they are creasing on me. That would be fantastic. Let's start with some primer. I will use the Prime and Fine Pore Refining Anti-Shine Base by Catrice Cosmetics. This is one of my favorite products by Catrice Cosmetics. On top of that, I am going to use this foundation by NYX. This is a Can't Stop, Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation in the shade Natural, and I am using a Catrice sponge. This is from the Dr. Blair line. Let's continue with the star of the show. We have a doe foot applicator, and the product looks like it will be clear, of course. It has a very light, sweet chemical scent. I will apply some on the back of my hand. I want to see how the consistency feels. This is a little bit thicker than an eye cream. It has a smoothing effect on my skin, so I want to see how it looks on my eyes. It removes a little bit of my foundation, so make sure that you don't have any foundation on the area that you want to use this eye primer, under eye primer. It is very soft on the eyes and it is very easy to blend. I'm not very sure if I have applied a lot of product, so I will try to use less product on the other eye. I don't have any instructions if I need to let it dry for a few minutes. As I can see from the back of my hand, it is sticky. I'm cleaning my applicator on a tissue. Squeaky clean. The applicator is very soft on the eyes. You know, sometimes the applicators are more plasticky rather than sponge, and they are a little bit harsh to use on the eyes, but this one is very soft. It made my foundation a little bit patchy here, so I'm thinking that I shouldn't apply my foundation first. I should have used this under eye primer before this one. Keep that in mind if you're going to buy this product. I will continue with this concealer. Apply and blend one drop for full coverage. Shake before use. Also, this one is a very interesting product because I have never tried a concealer with a little droplet. This is so cute. It's very liquidy, as we can see. Ooh, I think this will be a lot for one eye. I applied the second layer from the One Drop, guys. Oh my god! Maybe this is not the correct shade for me because I can still see a lot of my discoloration in the inner corner. On the other side, I will use the Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer in the shade 30 Light Honey. We can see that this concealer has a better coverage for my under eye area, and on this side I can still see a lot of the discoloration that I have in my inner corner. It was easy to apply both of the concealers on top of the under eye primer. I will need to use the One Drop concealer a little bit more. It is buildable. I have applied a little bit more in the inner corner but I think this is not the correct shade for me. I will try it again in another video. To set my eyes, I am going to use the Art Deco Fixing Powder. At first, I am blending my under eye area with my fingertip. So one thing that I have noticed for this side with the concealer that I have used again is that my under eye area was not creasing as much as it always does. Yeah, so we will see how it goes. Hi guys, it's been 9 hours and let's see what happened with the under eye primer. My under eye area is looking very smooth. So I have some finer lines that you can see this product is not erasing them, it is just smoothing. I think that it worked okay. My concealer didn't move actually, it looks like before. I think it looks very nice on my eyes, and on the other side it looks the same. I want to use this again with some other concealers that I have and they are creasing on me badly. I'm hoping that this will work for those concealers too, because that means I will be able to use them. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also let me know in the comments below if you think that this primer is useful and if you would like to try it. You can watch here how I did my eye look for today's video. I have used the Riviera palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!